Good morning, everyone. I just wanted to show you. Oh, now they're gonna go away. We have a grapevine, a Concord grapevine, growing outside of our house all over this big window. I have no idea how it got started. I did not plant it. It just grew there this year, and when I realized it was Concord grape, I left it. I didn't cut it down. I mean, they're really, really small, and I tasted a couple of them, and they're very tart. But how cool that a Concord grapevine just started growing on my house. Anyway, I must have scared the birds away. Here's one of my fish tanks. And another. And here's one of the big ones. These fish are called mbuna. Aw, they think I'm gonna feed them. These fish come from one of 3 freshwater lakes in Africa. This is my garden room. I have plants everywhere, as you can see. Blessings, friends. Oh, there's another fish tank. I hope you're all having a great day.